Hey guys, Todd here. Today we're going to do a video on cleaning your glass. We're going to use our new product, Image Glass Cleaner. It's a great product, foam on, wipe off, non-ammoniated, streak free, safe on tint, all the good things that you're looking for to clean your glass. We got the old work truck here, Image work truck, and you can see already the glass is pretty dirty on the outside from the rain and so on. So I'm going to use a 2-towel method. My first towel here is black microfiber, and what I do is I'm going to spray it on there and then wipe it on. The next towel will be my drying towel, and this is not a product that we released yet. We're in the stages of it. We've been testing it, and I have not found a better drying towel yet. I'm super impressed with this one. I think everybody's going to fall in love with it like I did, and today I wanted to show you how it works. Let's get started on the outside here. So you can definitely spray it like that on the outside, I guess, if you want. I do it on the rag, and I'm going to tell you why when we go on the inside. So in the sunlight here, like I said, just wipe it on, use your fingers to get all in the cracks there. You can see how dry it is ready, and it's that easy. This towel is amazing. It's got raised ribs on it, which I believe help in collecting any sort of residue that's left over and really attacking the glass to get your streak-free shine. Now we're going to do the inside. So first things first is you want to remove this annoying key that makes that noise. I'm going to just spray a little bit on there. Once the buildup gets on the rag, you don't even have to really load it every time. Just wipe it on. Look at that towel work. I usually do the outline first. Make sure you're jamming it in the corners. Never can wipe it enough. I cross-cut it to make sure I got it all, and done. These lines here are basically the glass is scratched from dirt on the outside. So next is the fun part. Everybody hates windshields. I do. But like I said, I sprayed on the rag versus if you spray it on here, I'll show. See how it all lays on your dash? I don't like that. It just makes a mess, especially after you just got done detailing the whole thing. Now you have to re-clean it. So I'm gonna wipe that dry. I'm right hand, so the driver's side is a pain in the butt for me. So I use the back side of my hand, up and down. Get your drying towel, same concept. You're not going to notice a big difference because I haven't done the outside yet, but we're going to do that next. So mirrors are one of the most trickiest things to clean. And what I mean by that is the rags, if you use like a traditional microfiber, it still leaves lint behind. So I found with this rag, there's basically 0 traces of lint. And with the glass cleaner, it's streak free. That will be one of your ultimate test right there, is using it on mirrors. So let's jump outside. I'm short, so I jump up on the tire, raise the blade. When you're in the sun too, you gotta work a little bit aggressive. Things like to dry fast and evaporate. This rag just slides on there. Oh, looks like I got some sap, so we should try to remove that. Hey, yeah, so right here you can see, look at all that nice grease, whatever it is. I'm not sure yet, but we'll show you the power of our new glass cleaner, and here we go. Like I said, I sprayed on the rag. This is in the shade now, so and wipe. Look at that. Wow. Voila. So it cuts, grease, you name it. Another good trick to use is kind of a Presoak too for bugs. You get those really pesky ones. Just give them a shot of the glass cleaner, and right before you wash, or you can touch up afterwards too with it. I'll use it. There's 101 uses really. I use it on interior a little bit. It's safe to clean that. So it's kind of a all-around purpose glass cleaner for me. When I drove truck, I used glass cleaner to wipe down my rims. If I would go from here to Chicago or wherever in the nation, and I got there, I would just spray glass cleaner on it and wipe it on, dry it off. works good. Stainless, it works really well. So it's an easy way to maintain it. Simple, effective, cuts the bugs. It will take some of the water spotting out. Depends how old or how long they are. You get something that's been on there for a couple weeks that's drying, where there's a lot of calcium in it. It's not going to cut that off, but it will do light water spots and so forth. So, yep, like I said, try it on everything, but I use it on my wheels, fuel tanks, anything that had brake dust or just a light grime. Yeah, you can use our quick detailer too also. That's a great way to do it. So, yeah, appreciate everybody promoting it, pushing it. It's a great product. We take our job serious when we try to find new ones. So there's a lot of different products out there, but we want something that's user-friendly and actually does what it is meant to do. So streak-free is a big thing in my mind, because this could look great, but then you start driving down the road with the sun pointing it the right way, you're going to see every flaw that you missed, or mistake I should say. But yeah, glass cleaner, especially in the trucking world, that's a big thing. You got to be able to see out of your mirrors and your windshield. It's very important. So it's kind of a never-ending job. But I mean, when you go from A to B in the big rig, or traveling or whatever, keep a can of this in the back seat, and it takes merely a couple minutes to wipe everything down. So thanks for watching. That's some of our pro tips for using this stuff. Yeah, like, subscribe, follow us. Look at that, Adam's jumping while he's videoing. Yeah.